So now we will discuss about displacement power problem, that is your a fluid system undergoes a non-flow frictionless process. The pressure and volume are related as P is equal to 5 by B plus 1.5, where pressure P is in bar and volume is in meter cube. During the process, the volume changes from 0.15 meter cube to 0.05 meter cube. Calculate the work done by the fluid. You have to calculate what is your work done by the fluid. Okay. The fluid system is undergoing non-flow process. So non-flow means there will be no mass transfer, that is a closed system. Pressure volume related to pressure is given as the relation P is equal to 5 by B plus 1.5, where pressure unit is given bar and volume is in meter cube. So during the process, volume changes from 0.15 to 0.05. So according to quantity, you can see that the volume will be decreases. Initial volume is your, suppose V1 is taken as 0.15, final volume becomes 0.05. Calculate the work done by the fluid. So work done by the fluid is a which quantity? Work done by the fluid is a positive quantity. So we have to find out the work done. Okay. So before solving problem, we should know that how to write the, how is go for solving problem. First you have to write the data given. So what are the data given? Pressure is related to velocity volume, that is given as P is equal to 5 by B plus 1.5, where volume is given as 0.15 meter cube and volume V2 is given as 0.05. Initial volume V1, final volume V2 0.8. Then we go for solution. So before going to solution, we should know that for non-flow process, what is your work done? For a non-flow process, total work W is equal to integration of PdV. Here initial volume is 1 and final volume is 2. The initial and final volume from initial point to final point, that is 1 to 2, integration of PdV unit is your kilojoule. So if I show this diagram in PV diagram, if I want to display this diagram in PV diagram, then how to show? So x-axis is your volume, y-axis is your pressure. Okay, the initial pressure is 0.15, final pressure, initial volume is 0.15, final volume is 0.05. Okay, so accordingly the volume, the pressure will be vary. So this is the diagram from process 1 to 2, state 1 to state 2. The process will be 1 to 2. Here volume is V1, pressure is P1. Here volume is V2, pressure is P2. So for non-flow process, work done is equal to W is equal to integration of PdV. Process will be from 1 to 2, integration from 1 to 2. So in place of your pressure, what we put? We have to put 5 by B plus 1.5. So put in place of pressure 5 by B plus 1.5 into dV, integrate from 1 to 2. Okay. So for simplification, if I multiply dV inside the bracket, so 5 by V dV plus 1.5 dV. So 5 by V dV plus 1.5 dV. Okay, so if I split this one is your addition. So if I split these two terms, then what will it become? Integration of 5 by V dV 1 to 2. This one is your integration of 5 by V dV 1 to 2 plus integration 1.5 dV. So here 5 is your constant, it will become outside. So what is left? 1 by V dV plus 1.5 is constant, it will become outside the integration of dV. So we know that 1 by x dx integration is ln x. So 1 by V dV is equal to ln V, limit from 1 to 2. Then what is the integration of dV? Integration of dV is your V, limit from 1 to 2. So 5 into ln, then I have to put the, then we have to put the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, ln of V2 minus ln of V1 plus 1.5 of V2 minus V1. Clear? Then we will go for, so ln V2 by V1, I can write this one as your ln V2 by V1. I can write this one plus 1.5 V2 minus V1. And now we have to put the value of V1 and V2. We know what is your V1. V1 is your 0.15 and V2 is your 0.05. Okay. So V2 is your 0.05, V1 is your 0.15. So 5 into ln V2 0.05 divided 0.15 plus 1.5 into 0.05 minus 0. So the answer will come minus 5. Minus 5.643. Why the unit is bar? Because pressure, we know that W is equal to integration of PdV. So pressure is given in terms of bar, volume is given in terms of meter cube. So what I can write? The unit is your bar into meter cube. So it will be, the quantity will become negative. This negative sign is for what? This negative sign is for what? This negative sign denote that the work done, on the system. Work done on the system. Now you have to convert into would work. We have to give the find out. The question is given to find out work. So what is the unit of work? We know that in unit of work is joule or kilojoule. Joule or kilojoule. So what is joule? Joule is equal to Newton into meter. So you have to convert the bar into Newton into meter. Okay. So you have to convert the bar into Newton into meter. Then we have to do, we know that 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. That we know. When I read pressure, 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Then minus 5.63 bar is equal to minus 5.643 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal into 10 to the power 3. Also we know that 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So if 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square, then minus 5.643 into 10 to the 5 Pascal is equal to this much up into Newton per meter square into meter cube. So meter square and meter cube will be cancelled. What is left? Newton into meter. So minus 5.643 into 10 to the 5 Newton into meter. What is Newton into meter? Newton into meter is a joule. Suppose we have to convert into kilojoule. Then what you have to do? We know that 1 kilojoule is equal to 10 to the power what? 10 to the power 3 joule. So 1 joule is equal to how much? 1 by 10 to the power 3 kilojoule. So this much of joule is equal to how much? Minus 5.643 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 3 kilojoule. So 10 to the power 5 divided 10 to the power 3. Base is same. Then power will be minus. So 5.643 into 10 to the power 5 minus 3 kilojoule. So that I got minus 5.643 into 10 to the power 2 kilojoule. 10 to the power 2 kilojoule. That will be the answer of what? Work done on the system. So the quantity is negative, so that is your work done on the system. Clear? So next we will discuss another question. So during non-flow reversible process, a gas enclosed in a cylinder piston assembly expands from 2 meter cube to 4 meter cube. The pressure volume correlation is given by pressure is equal to V square plus 6 by B when pressure P is in bar, and determine the work done by the system. Work done by the system is a which quantity? Positive quantity, means work produced. Okay, so first you have to write down the data given. What is the data given? The piston assembly expand from 2 meter cube. Meter cube is the unit of volume. So initial volume is 2 meter cube. Final volume become 4 meter cube. How the pressure volume related? Pressure volume related to P is equal to V square plus 6 by B. So what you have to find out? We have to find out the work done. If we have to find out the work done, so we know what is the formula for work done. Yes. So W is equal to integration of PdV. So what is pressure given? Pressure is related to volume. So what is given? Pressure is related to volume, that is P is given V square plus 6 by B. So now I can put integration of 1 to 2 V square plus 6 by, in place of a P I can write into dV. So then also same, multiply dV inside the bracket. So V square dV plus 6 by V into dV. Now split the addition. So integration from 1 to 2 V square dV plus integration of 1 to 2 plus 6 by V into dV. Clear? Now we have to simplify this one. So what is the x to the power n dx? What is the integration of x to the power n dx? Integration of x to the power n dx is equal to how much? That is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So what is given here? In place of x, that is v, in place of n, that is 2. So I can write v square को क्या लिख सकते हैं? What I can write? v square dv in place of x, that is v n 2, v2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So I can write this one as your v cube divided by 3, this integration v square dv. Clear? Okay, well, let's see. That is your v square dv. So that is equal to v cube by 3, limit from 1 to 2 into. What is left? 6 by v into dv. So 6 it will be taking common. So 1 by v dv. What is 1 by v dv? Ln v, limit from 1 to 2. Now you have to put the limit 1 by 3. Will be taking outside. So vq, limit from 1 to 2. The v2 to the power q minus v1 to the power q plus 6 into ln v2 minus ln v1. So I can write this as ln v2 by v1. v2 minus v1, I can write v2 by v1. Then put the value of, then you have to put the value of v1 and v2. Okay. So what is your v1 and v2? v1 is your 2 meter cube, v2 is your 4 meter cube. So 1 by 3, v2 is your 4, the 2 meter cube, 6 into ln 4 by 2. That value got 22.83 bar into meter cube. Pressure and dv, p into dv, p is in bar, v is in meter cube. Okay. So the quantity is positive. So that means what? That is your work done by the system. That also you have to calculate. Work done by the system. Okay. So now the bar and meter cube is never be the unit of work done. Bar and meter cube is never be the unit of work done. Then what is the unit of work done? Unit of work done is equal to what? Joule or kilojoule. Now you have to convert this one. Then 22.83 bar is equal to how many Pascal? 22.83 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal into meter cube. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So this much of Pascal is equal to 22.83 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square into meter cube. So 2 meter will be cancel out. What is left? 22.83 into 10 to the power 5 Newton into meter. So Newton into meter is your what? Newton into meter is your joule. So 22.83 into 10 to the power 5 Newton into meter is your joule. So if you have to convert into kilojoule, then what you have to do? 1 kilojoule is equal to 10 to the power 3 joule. So 1 joule is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 3 kilojoule. So this much of joule is equal to 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 3. So the answer we got is your 22.83 into 10 to the power 2 kilojoule. So this much of answer we got, that is your work done by the system. Work done by the system. Clear? Then we will discuss in the next class what will be the next question.